Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to handle watermark issues in PDF files in a safe and legal way in 2026. So if your PDF has a watermark from a trial tool or your own document, yeah, this guide will help you fix it properly. First, check where the watermark is coming from. If it's from a trial version or a tool you used, that's usually the cause. Next, go back to the original file if you have it. So export or save it again without enabling watermark settings. Now when saving as PDF, make sure watermark options are turned off. I mean, some tools automatically add them in free mode. So yeah, if the watermark is from a free trial tool, you may need to switch to a free alternative or upgrade the software. This is the proper way to remove it. Next, recreate the PDF using a clean version of the file. This ensures your final document is watermark-free legally. Finally, open the new PDF and check that the watermark is gone. So always verify before sharing or submitting. And that's how to handle watermark issues in PDF files in a safe and proper way in 2026. Once you use the correct export settings or original file, you can get clean PDFs without any problems. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more PDF tutorials.